Hello everyone. Today we will walk through how to prepare for and take your New York State Learner Permit test. To begin, this process is for getting a Class D operator permit, which is the permit most people need for driving a car. Before you can take the permit test, you must study and get ready. The first thing you should do is use all of the study materials that the DMV provides. This includes the New York State Driver Manual and the practice permit quizzes. Spend time reading the manual and taking the practice tests so that you understand the rules of the road and the types of questions you will see on the test. The permit tests are offered in many languages, so you can study and take the test in the language you are most comfortable with. Next, you need to gather all of the documents required to apply for your learner permit. When you go to apply, you must show documents that prove your age, identity, and your New York State residence. These documents help the DMV determine whether you will get a standard, enhanced, or real ID permit. Use the DMV's interactive pre-screening tool to figure out exactly which documents you need. For applicants under 18 years old, the choices you make in the pre-screening process may also determine whether you are eligible to take your permit test online or if you must take it at a DMV office. After you have studied and you know which documents you need, it is time to bring everything to your local DMV office. You will need the permit application form, your proofs of identity, age and residence, and the fee for the test. The DMV will review your documents at that time. Once you have passed the permit test and completed this step, the DMV will guide you through the next steps, which include completing any pre-licensing requirements and scheduling your road test. Thanks for watching.